So the question is, how is a monthly payment calculated? It's important to understand that in the mortgage world we call it PITI, principal and interest, property taxes, home insurance, and or mortgage insurance. So PITI. The principal and interest portion is the actual payment back to the loan. That's how much you borrow with your interest rate over a term. And it calculates on an amortization basis. But when you own a home, there's also property taxes. Every home's different. There isn't an exact calculation, but we need to find out for that particular home what it is, divide by 12, and add to that monthly payment. And then we make sure the home's not going to burn down. It's required that we have home insurance, your choice, and we make sure we take that number, divide it by 12, add it to the monthly payment. Now, there are some loans that require mortgage insurance, or because of less down, there's a mortgage insurance added. That is also something that we do on a monthly basis. So when you add those all together, PITI, that is your total monthly payment. For example, if your loan amount is $100,000 and you're borrowing it over 30 years at 4.5%, that principal and interest payment is $506.69. If your property happens to have property taxes of, let's say, $800, I take $800 annual number and I divide it by 12. That's $66.67. Then you have home insurance. That insurance, again, is variable depending on who you go through and all those kind of things, but let's just guess that it's $250 a year. I take $250, divide by 12, that's $20.83. There's mortgage insurance also. That's dependent upon whether you need it or not. It could be anywhere from $35 to $100. So let's just say $65 for mortgage insurance. The other variable that might be added to is if you have a place that requires homeowners association dues. That would also be inclusive of that payment. We wouldn't include it, but that's just something to calculate as a total. So if you add those together, that would be your PITI monthly payment. My hope is that we actually learn some mortgage math to calculate a payment that fits your budget, but you get more bang for your buck.